This is the charge now. Charged particle. Charge is Q. Moving with velocity V. It makes an angle theta with magnetic field. Yesterday I discussed. Charged particle moves some velocity. This is charged particle moves in the magnetic field. Okay. In this situation, some force acting on the charge. According to Lorenzo, the scientist name, force acting on the charge formula is F equal to Q V B sin theta. The vector form is F bar equal to Q into V bar cross B bar. According to this concept, direction of force determined by using V bar cross B bar. Direction of force determined by using V bar cross B bar. F indicate force, Q indicate charge, V indicate velocity, B indicate magnetic field induction. Its other name magnetic flux density. Okay. Here Nana, look here Nana. Here the direction of force determined by using V bar cross B bar. Okay, here look here. Direction of force, okay, is determined by using V bar cross B bar. Etla sir ante nana meeki rule idea unda. This is I cap, J cap, K cap. Okay, here look here now. Ij multiply, it becomes K. Jk multiply, it becomes I. Ki multiply, it becomes J. Okay, Nana? Look here. Ij multiply, it becomes K. Jk multiply, it becomes I. Ki multiply, it becomes J. Okay na? Look here. Reverse acha. Ji multiply, it becomes minus K. Ik multiply, it becomes minus J. Ji multiply, it becomes minus K. It becomes minus K. Look here now. Okay? This is the force formula yesterday I discussed. Direction of force determined by using V bar cross B bar. Okay? Nana cross product ela sar ante Ij multiply K, Jk multiply I, Ki multiply, it becomes J. Ik minus J, Kj minus I, Ji minus K. In this formula, very useful to solve the problems. Look here now. Force acting on the neutron, very important final exam. JEE main question. Force acting on neutron. Force acting on neutron. The charged particle placed in uniform magnetic field. Okay? Here Nana, What is the formula for force, Nana? F equal to Q V B psi theta. This is the formula for force in the chapter. Here the particle name is neutron. Neutron other name neutral particle. Simply its charge becomes zero. When charge becomes zero, force acting on the neutron also zero. Look here. Simply, what is the question? Force acting on the neutron, that neutron moving in the uniform magnetic field. What is the force value? Zero. Why here zero in the neutron is a chargeless particle. Okay? Not that. Right up. Okay, very important concept, Nana. Please look here. Charge moves. Very important point, Nana. Charge moves perpendicular to the field. This is the question. Here, Nana, the field is always magnetic field. This is the symbol of magnetic field. Here, the symbol into is called, look here, the symbol, here Nana, this is the magnetic field. Here, this is the symbol of magnetic field, Nana. This is called into. Simply, the direction of the magnetic field into the board. Mari meer ekkada rastaru? Paper. Into the paper. Once again I repeat. This into meaning is direction of magnetic field into the board. Some textbooks write in the symbol also, Nana. Look here. This symbol meaning is here magnetic field acts outward. Once again I repeat. This symbol meaning is magnetic field acts outward. Mari, E symbol meaning is magnetic field inward. Here, charged particle, this is the charged particle, moves in this direction. Look here now. What is the direction of charged particle? Along x-axis. What is the magnetic field direction? Along negative z-axis. Simply, x and z both are perpendicular to each other. Okay, Nana? Nana, here, this is the charged particle moving along x-axis, magnetic field z-axis, both are perpendicular. This is the question. Here, Nana, force direction కావాలి. Direction of force దేని ద్వారా వస్తుందో చెప్పాను గుర్తుందా? V bar cross B bar. మరి నాకు V ఎలా ఉంది ఇక్కడ? IE. B ఎలా ఉంది? మైనస్ KE. గుర్తుందా మీకు మల్టిప్లికేషన్? I J K. Okay? Here I to J K, J to K I, K to I J. Here I to K ఏమొస్తుంది? Minus J. Already minus is there. Minus into minus plus, plus J. Plus J means along positive y-axis. Plus J means force acting along positive y-axis. Okay? Force acting along positive y-axis. Simply here, force acting in this direction. Okay? Here, because of this force acting, centripetal force because this acting towards the center. That's why this force is called centripetal force. For example, charged particle ikkadunte tangent gives the direction of velocity. This is the force. Simply, charged particle moves perpendicular to field because of force acting on the charged particle. This force converted to the centripetal force. The charged particle moving in the circular path. ఈ తొక్కలో గోలంతా మనకు అవసరమా? వద్దు బాబు. డైరెక్ట్ సింగిల్ పాయింట్. Charge moves perpendicular to magnetic field. Here, the force acting on the charged particle like a centripetal force. Because of centripetal force, charged particle moves in the circular path. That is the main agenda. Keyword: simply, force acting on the charged particle equal to centripetal force. Okay, na? Force acting on the charged particle equal to centripetal force. What is the force formula in the chapter? Q, V, B. Here theta becomes 90 because charged particle moves perpendicular to field. Centripetal force formula: M V square by R. Okay, look here now. Sin 90 value 1. Here Vakavi emaiti cancel. Look here now. Last left side QB, right side MV by R. Look here. According to this situation, what is the formula for R? R equal to MV by QB. Okay, this is the equation number 1. This is here R indicate radius of the circular path. Radius of circular path. What is the formula for radius of the circular path? M V by QB. Here M indicate mass of the particle, V indicate velocity of the particle, Q indicate charge of the particle, B indicate magnetic field induction. Okay, next step. Here R equal to, in the physics, mass into velocity is called momentum. According to this concept, momentum equal to Q B R. Okay, na? What is the formula for momentum? Q B R. Equation number 2 na. Here P indicate linear momentum. Once again, what is the P nana? What is the P? Linear momentum. Linear momentum formula QBR. Okay, two formulas I give. Radius of the circular path, linear momentum of the particle. These two formulas applicable. Charged particle moves perpendicular to field. Path formula mv by qb. What is the linear momentum formula? qbr. Okay. Third formula, angular momentum. P indicate linear momentum, L indicate angular momentum. angular momentum L is R into P. Okay, here write. What is the here, look here, angular momentum write as R into P. This R value here substitute, this P value here substitute. Okay, to get the solution. Look here. Next angular velocity ORR, angular frequency. Angular frequency ORR, angular velocity. It is denoted by omega. Omega equal to V by R. V indicate velocity, R indicate radius. Okay, here, look here, V by R. According to this formula, look here, V by R write as QB by M. Simply QB by M. Okay, what is the angular frequency formula? QB by M. Okay, next angular frequency completed. Next formula is time period. In the first year Nagendra, time period denoted by T. What is the formula for T? 2 pi by omega. According to this concept, 2 pi by, what is the omega, right? Look here, QB by M. What is the formula for time period? 2 pi M by QB. Last formula frequency. Today I send assignment frequency formula. Frequency is called as reciprocal of the time period. Here 1 by T, it will be reverse. QB by 2 pi M. This is the formula for frequency. Okay, that is the formula for frequency.